Welcome students to another lesson with teacher Hannah. Are you excited to know what are we going to learn today? Are you curious to know about it? Now let's go and find out. Our lesson today is interactive. So we are going to learn computer today. So in our computer lesson today we are going to learn about Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. So what are the objectives? The objectives are to learn some basic life skills, to learn how to use Microsoft Word and Excel, and to listen and follow instructions. Are you ready, students? Very good. Let's learn about Microsoft Word first.
Microsoft Word is a word processing software. As we use a notebook to write words and sentences, similarly in a computer we use Microsoft Word to type the text in a document. What can we do with Microsoft Word? Type and format the text, edit text such as adding, deleting, copying and moving, add pictures in a document, save a document for future use. The various parts of a Word window are title bar. The title bar is a place at the top of the Word 2016. Quick access toolbar. It is placed at the top left of the Word. It contains the save, undo and redo commands. The ribbon contains several tabs on it such as File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, etc. The File tab is placed at the upper left corner of the Word window under the Quick Access toolbar. Ruler, the horizontal ruler, is placed at the top of the document window. The working area is used for typing, editing text. Status bar, displayed at the bottom of Word 2016 window. And there are two scroll bars in the window, the vertical bar and the horizontal scroll bar. The zoom slider present at the extreme right corner of the status bar. Now let's see how to create a new window. Click on the File tab. Select the new option in the left pane. Then click the blank document. A new blank document will appear on your screen with its temporary name as document 1.
Now let's learn about Microsoft Excel.
Microsoft Excel is named as spreadsheet. So what is that? A spreadsheet is a software that lets you work with numbers using columns and rows. It is designed to hold numbers and short text. A spreadsheet helps us to sort data, arrange data easily, and calculate numerical data. What makes a spreadsheet program unique is its ability to calculate values. Users of Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. You can save your monthly household expenses there. You can use it to calculate my task tracker. Your weekly task tracker can be done in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. And you can track your exam marks. Let's see how to open an Excel. Click Start button. Click All Apps. Click Microsoft Office. Click Excel. Or you can even search in the search box there, Microsoft Excel. Now the Microsoft Excel page will be opened and it will be looking like this. And this is the title bar. Can you see there? And you have ribbons there under the title bar which have tabs, insert, page layout, formulas, data, references and view. Different tabs have many different functions. Now let's see here the zoom bar. Let's zoom our page. Good. And this is the D column heading. Can you see up to down is called column heading. And here number 4, left to right, is called row heading. And now we have the boxes which is called cell. Good job. And where D and 4 they meet together is called D4. Cell D4. So here C and 3 meets. Here B and 4 meets. We call B4. How about these students? Can you try? Good. It is called A1. Now teacher is going to type savings, January, February, March. So now teacher is going to use this spreadsheet to count the saving of my 3 months amount. And January will be 185, February 220, and March 165. Maybe you feel, how can teacher do the calculation here? Yes, teacher can do that. But before that, let's highlight the numbers and let's put out the currency there. Very good. So total, and teacher is going to sum up the total amount here in this C6 cell. Can you see there? Very good. Now teacher is going to sum up, and you see teacher gets 570, the total sum up.
Students, teacher have 2 tasks to give you today. So, let's see what are the tasks and what should you do at home.
Hello students, now let's see what's your first task, and we are going to do something with Microsoft Word. Let's start by opening the Microsoft Word here. And choose the blank document here. And you can see the blank document is opened. Now let's go and change the font. So teacher want to change it to Times New Roman and the font size to be 20. So now let's type. My name is Anna. I am 6 years old. I love to go to school. So teacher have typed here. Now you can even change the color of the font and make it look nice. So you have to highlight the words and go to the color there and choose any color you like. See? And then now let's draw our school. So teacher is going to insert. See here? Insert and shape. Let's take a rectangle shape and drag it here. Now you can change the color also and the outline to be black. And let's draw the roof. So teacher is going to choose the triangle. And you can move it and keep it here. And teacher want it to be in blue color and the outline. Now students, you see? And you can even insert many other shapes to make it look nicer. Maybe the sun. See? So, that's all for your first task on Microsoft Word. Can you do it and take a picture and send it to teacher? Good job. Now the second task. Okay, see here we have Microsoft Excel. So double click it and open it. So Microsoft Excel 2019 and blank workbook. So you will have the Microsoft Excel here. Okay, now let's type your name in any of the boxes here. So teacher would like to type my name. Okay, and you can drag the column if your name is longer. And your class, 6 intelligence or 6 magnificence. So teacher is going to do some maths question. For example, 2 plus 2. So what is 2 plus 2? To find out the answer, you can go to the auto sum and you drag the column, the 2 and 2, something like this, and press enter. So can you see the answer now? 2 plus 2 equals to 4. You can even use this as your calculator to have some fun. Okay, now let's do a bigger number. 10 plus 12. So again, teacher go to auto sum and press enter. So 10 plus 12 equals to 22. Can you see that? So now teacher is going to insert a smart art. So teacher go to insert and you can see illustrations and go to the smart art. And there are so many smart arts here. So let's choose one, the cycle. So teacher would like to choose the cycle and this. So okay. So drag and keep it where you want. And you can even change the color of the cycle. So something colorful. And here. See? Wow. Okay, let's type here life of butterfly. So teacher would like to type butterfly. And the first thing in life of butterfly is the egg, larva, pupa, and butterfly. And you can change the font color by highlighting it and go to the font and change it to black. So you will have something like this. So children, can you also do this and take a picture and send it to teacher?
Now, teacher hope that you understand what teacher have taught you, and remember to take some videos and pictures of you completing your task. That's all for today's interactive lesson. Thank you, students.